Hey guys, welcome to O Yellow Circle. Today in this video tutorial, I will share with you 4 effective ways to use Liquify tool to make marbling effect. So first we have taken the image here, and now from this image, we will try to make the marbling effects. The first step is to go to the filter. First upload the image here, then go to the filter and click Liquify. Now we will adjust this brush tool and the pressure. Now we will start scribbling. Keep scribbling until you get the likewise texture. Now you can see we have got some amazing results from the image, and now we will hit OK. Right? Now we are going to use the second option of making the texture. This is called cloud. So we are going to take the artboard. So now go to the filters, then click to render and then cloud. Now what we are going to do is we will follow the same process and go to the filter and click to liquify. Adjust the brush size and compression according to your needs and just scribble here. It's totally depends on you how you need the texture. So for me this is fine, and what we are going to do is now we will use the brush reconstruction tool to make little materialistic like a metal, and we will give the sign. So I think this is fine for me. So I will click OK. From the cloud, we have created this texture. Now we are going to use the fiber. Again go to the filter and go to the render, and you can see the fibers. You can adjust according to your needs, right? This is fine for me. I will click OK. Again we will follow the same process, filter, liquify, and we will start scribbling. To make the texture look amazing. You can do according to your needs. I'm just showing you the tool that how we can use and make the texture. For me this look fine, right? And again I will go to the reconstruction tool and I will try to adjust those, and I will OK. Now we are going to use the manual brush tool to make the colorful texture. So we will use the brush and start scribbling with the colors. Now again we will go to the filters and click to liquify. Just we will start scribbling slowly to get the good texture, and I think this is fine for now. And again we will go to the reconstruction, and this is fine for me, so I will just go ahead and click OK. I hope this video tutorials help you for creating endless creative texture for your design, and thank you so much for watching this video till the end. Please make sure to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.